In question number 6, two crossroads are given whose length is 10 meter and cut at right angles to the center of rectangular path, and its length is given 700 meter and breadth is given 300 meters parallel to its sides. Find the area of the roads. We have to find out the area of these roads. Okay. And also find the area excluding roads, and we have to give the answer in hectares also. So first of all, this PQSR, this is one crossroad. EHEFGH, this is second crossroad, and KLMN is a square in between, which is same in both the rectangles. These crossroads, these both are passing from the square. So we have to subtract it also from here. So first of all, we'll take out the area of the roads. That is area of road PQRS, area of road KLMN will be subtracted from EFGH. These two crossroads will be added and we will subtract once this KLMN, because two times when you are adding this crossroads, so one time you have to subtract this square also. Okay. So first of all, we'll take out the area of the PQRS. You have to write KLMN is taken twice, which is to be subtracted. So PS multiplied by PQ. This will be the length, PS will be the length, PQ will be the breadth. Okay. PS is the length, PQ is the breadth. So multiply PS with PQ. EF is the length, FG is the breadth, or EH is the breadth. You can take anything. And KLMN is the square. So area of a square is side into side. So KL multiplied KN. So the length is given 300 meters. And the crossroad is 10 meter wide. So 300 meter is this breadth, that is PS, and PQ will be 10 meters. So 300 into 10. 700 will be the length of EF and FG will be 10. And this square will be 10 into 10. Multiply it, children. How much you are getting? Solve it, children. 300 into 10. How much it will be? 3000, Anupriya. That's correct. 700 into 10. How much it will be? 7000. That's right, Vivek. Ryan, that's correct. So 3000 plus 7000 is? Yes, Swastik, your answer is also right. Yes, Anupriya, you are also right. 10,000. And 10,000, 10 tens are? 10 tens are 100. Subtract 10,000 from 100. Yes, subtracted, how much you are getting? Subtract 100. 9,900. Ryan, your right answer here. 2,000 plus 7,000 minus 100 will be 9,900 meter square. Okay, 9,900 meter square will be the answer. Now in this question, area of roads we have to take it out in hectares also. So area of roads in hectare is equal to 10,000. Okay, we'll be subtracting 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 hectares. So 9,900 will be subtracted from this, divided from this 9,900. So it will be 0.99 hectares. One meter square is equal to 10,000 hectares. So 9,900 will be divided by 10,000. Now one thing they are again asking that area of the park excluding the crossroads. The park area is 700 and 300 length and breadth. So area of the park will be 700 into 300 and area of road is 9900 meter square. We have taken out already area of road 9900 meter square. So subtract it. 700 into 300 is 7 3s are. Come on, children, start solving. Yes, that's correct, Avika. 2100000. That's right. Subtract 9900. You will be getting 200,100 meter square. Again, the area of the park will be in hectares. Divided 200,100 divided by 10,000. So 20.01 will be the hectares will be the answer. Through a rectangular field of length 90 meters and breadth 60 meters. This is a rectangular field and length is given 90 meters and breadth is given 60 meters. Two roads are constructed which are parallel to the sides. These two roads are constructed which are parallel. Parallel means बिल्कुल उसके साथ साथ. Okay, these are parallel sides. Haryanshi, are you getting it? And cut each other at right angles. We are cutting these two crossroads at right angles to the center of the fields if the width of each road is 3 meters. If we are taking the crossroad, this road is 3 meter wide. Find the area covered by the roads. We have to find out the area which is covered by the roads. So again, PS will be multiplied with PQ and EF will be multiplied with EH. And then the square is again subtracted from here. Do it, children. You have already solved this type of question in the previous one. Try to solve it. Here only the measurement of length and breadth is changed. 90 meters will be EF and PS will be 60. Take 60 into 3, 90 into 3 and 3 into 3. Okay. Start solving it, children. Take out the area of the roads. $441. Jan, you're right here. 441. That's right answer. Anybody else? Open your camera, children. Yes, right. You have to subtract also, beta. For Tanya, Rachel, that's right answer. Yes, Avika. Subtract it. Yes, right, Rachel. Riyanshi, Kanishka, open your camera, beta. 441 meters square is the answer. So, in the B part, the cost of constructing the roads at the length of 110 meters. Here only the crossroads area has been found. So we have 441 meters square. After that, we have to find out the cost. So 110 when multiplied with 441, how much you are getting? Multiply it. Ayana, Jessica, Gaurav, Arav, Naitik, Akmal. Multiply 441 with 110. Arav, adjust your camera. Anshika, will you stop talking and give you the answer? Yes, that's right, Avika. Lavanya, adjust your camera a little bit downwards. Anupriya, check your answer again. Multiply it carefully. Yes, Avika, your answer is right. Come on, start solving it, children. Multiply the numbers. Yes, Rachel, your answer is also right. Tanya, check your answer. Four eight five one zero is the right answer. Yes, Ayana, Haryanshi, your answer is right. Open your camera also. Who has not opened? Kanishka.